Welcome back, guys. It's Bronwyn with Big Sky Diamond Painting, and I am here with some finished paintings for once. So I'm going from biggest to smallest because I've just put the other ones underneath here. So this is the one that I did for winter with DAC. It is Ice Princess First Edition by Diamond Art Club. And as you can see, she turned out really good. And honestly, there is nothing that reminds you of just how sparkly a diamond painting can be like a round DAC. I mean, I don't know if that is getting picked up in the camera at all, but she's just gorgeous. She turned out really nice. She was a dream to work on. There were a few parts over on this side that possibly the glue got a little bit unsticky, and I don't know if it was because of my arm resting on it too much, or like the cover pulling back without me realizing it, or what it was. But I just got some of that Diamond Dots adhesive that they sell for the freestyle patterns that don't have adhesive on them, and just put that on there because it wasn't working when I tried to just clean it up. So that took care of everything. So I mean, it turned out really nice. The ABs were just really strategically placed in this, and I mean, it just turned out gorgeous. And I love the little snow leopard right here. He looks so cute. And the little owl right here. And just, I mean, it just turned out so nice, guys. I'm just so happy and super impressed with it. I don't have any idea what I'm going to do with it. I feel like I should give it away because I don't have any wall space for it. But at the same time, I love it so much that I don't know if I want to. But for now, she's going to get rolled up and put in a protective tube. And we will go from there. So that's my first one. I don't really have any reviews or anything. I had plenty of diamonds. All of them were great. There wasn't excess trash or anything. I think this was when I realized because after doing this one, I started working on I've got a couple missing right there. I'll have to take care of that. I started working on a square right after this, and I think working on rounds, I just use more wax than I do with squares. So that is something I got to keep in mind, but turned out really good. So we're going to put this one aside. And then we're going to look at this one, which is Succulents by Rainy Day Diamonds. This one, oh gosh, I started this one like last April, right around the time that we went to work from home, and then it stagnated for most of the summer, and then I finished it right at the beginning of December as my downstairs desk project before starting winter with DAC upstairs. So, oh my goodness, why? And we got a missing drill right there too. That's just what happens sometimes, though. That's the one thing that I dislike about rounds, is that because the drills kind of have a texture to them, if I brush my hands over them, it's really easy to catch one and have it just pop up. But okay, I'll stop doing it. This one turned out really nice. I'm pretty sure I had plenty of crystals. I did end up having to buy extras and borrow extras from another kit because I dropped some a couple times because this was too big for the table that I was using. So sometimes it would slide off and take the tray with it. So I had a couple messes that got made, but it's very sparkly. As far as like a full crystal goes, it's actually pretty good image-wise. I mean, you can see that. Usually full crystals are like way more muddled, and you can see how that looks pretty clear in the camera. So it turned out pretty good. And it's very shiny, very sparkly. I think, you know, I think that I definitely am not super into full crystals at this point. I still want to do that one from Star Ore, the full crystal Van Gogh Starry Night. But I think that might be the last one that I buy. I have a few hanging around downstairs that I might finish up, but I don't think I'm going to do any more full crystals. I think adding them as accents is fine, but if I do find one that I like, it's going to have to be something really special, basically, because you know, I just really like how a traditional regular diamond painting turns out, and you can just add some accents with crystals and ABs and stuff, and that turns out really good. So anyway, good canvas, turned out really nice. Not sure again what I'm going to do with this one, but I'll put it aside. And oh my god, stop messing with it and letting the drills pop off. I'm gonna have to roll this one really good too. That is the one thing that makes me want to coat things, is just because I want to be able to put my fingers over it without it popping off. And this is the last one. I just finished this one today. This one is the Guardian. It's from DIY Moon Shop, which you can see down here. This one is 30 by 30. It had like 45 colors, which was honestly a pain, but it turned out pretty good. It's plenty sparkly, not as impressive as the Diamond Art Club, if I'm telling the truth. I don't know what, if these are just different faceted, like these diamonds feel more round, I guess, but it still looks really good. Turned out really good. I can't say that I'm like super impressed with DIY Moon Shop. The diamonds were just kind of meh. They're fine. The charting was meh. It's fine. The canvas is really nice. It's poured glue. The canvas itself is a good material. You know, the service obviously is great. I mean, you can't really complain about that at all. But it's so expensive, and I know part of that is because it's licensed, so obviously that is a plus to shopping there. But again, I think this is probably going to be somewhere that I'm going to buy from, just if they have something that I like really, really want. Because, you know, I didn't find this to be anything all that special. And they're so expensive that I kind of like want them to be special, on par with like Diamond Art Club or whatever. And, you know, they have some nice artists, but I feel like the charting could be better. And, you know, but this turned out really good. I'm probably going to frame this one up, because 30 by 30 is a nice, easy to frame painting size. And plus it's small enough, it would look, you know, good pretty much anywhere. And oh my god, see, even on these ones, it just pops right up. Where did it come from? There it is. So yeah, those are my 3 that I finished. That's pretty much all I've got for this little video. I just wanted to show you guys some finished items rather than just unboxings forever and ever. I'm going to try to do some whip and chats at some point, but that's harder to set up just because I typically diamond paint not where I film, because the film's kind of like a temporary setup. So, you know, your mileage may vary on that one. Anyway, leave a comment. Tell me what you thought of those paintings. Tell me if you've done one of those paintings. And thumbs up if you liked the video. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.